Method overloading in Java is a powerful feature that allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. This means you can perform similar operations with different types or numbers of inputs. For example, consider a method called add. You could have one version that adds two integers and another that adds three integers or even two doubles. Here's a quick code snippet. Java public class calculator. Public int add int a int b. Return a plus b. Public double add double a double b. Return a plus b. Public int add int a int b int c. Return a plus b plus c. With method overloading, your code becomes cleaner and more intuitive. It enhances readability, reduces complexity, and allows for easier maintenance. Plus, it promotes the use of polymorphism, a core principle of object-oriented programming, making your applications more flexible and scalable.